Hello, I'm back with another video of my Guude inspired sorting, cataloging item system. Quite a few improvements since I last showed you. We're now storing the items in chests. I can extract items with this computer. This computer, pretty much any computer, as long as you've got the extraction script, can run, and the various messages from these computers will get relayed back to whichever computer you sent the request from, which is quite a nice feature. So, well, first of all, you've seen the ticker. That is this computer. It polls a web page generated by a PHP script. Link down below to the GitHub for that. From a remote MySQL database every 15 seconds. Now, to add a new item to the database, you simply run add the full name of the item and Perl, and then a short form like the stock market item, stock market ticker, or whatever they call that. So let's call it NP. Not really used for anything, but I could display that instead on here to save space. Still need to try lowering the text size so I can fit more. As you can see, I haven't got many left. The other function to add to this ticker is previous and next, probably using the advanced monitor, so I can use touch, and then as I say, previous and next, paging should be fairly easy. So now that I've run add enderpearl endp, this interactive sorter here is constantly polling until I feed it an enderpearl. Both of these come into the same color-coded ender chest, which is here. Then it gets sucked through and into the system. They end up here right now, which I can't extract from because within the diamond pipes I didn't set up somewhere, that's the overflow. Coming over to the ticker, you can see it got updated. I now have 16 enderpearls. If I show you the next computer, that one is the simple updater, which will, this ender chest here, I can either supply from my pouch or the ender chest, of course. This will be the output of my quarry, for example. So put the enderpearls in there, snatches them, they run through the sorter again, going into the system, and give the ticker a little while. 32 enderpearls. So, now I'm in my base, I'm working, and I say I need some spruce wood. So, I will extract 17, pass it the metadata of 1 for spruce wood, and let's say I want 32. Now, my system tells me the item is ready for collection. That message needs to be changed, really. As you see, it only just traveled into the chest. That message is, it's been extracted from here. So, you then open up your pouch, take your spruce wood, and on with your travels. I can, if I try and take 33, noting that I've only got 32 now in my system, it'll simply tell me I don't have enough. This is what I do have. So I'll say, well, okay then, I'll make do with 32. Now you'll see, currently, when there is no item, I do not display the line due to space issues. on the monitors. Not sure in my survival world how big I will want the monitor. I may print it once I have the page back and forth function with the amount. And in terms of more features for this ticker, if possible, searching would be rather nice. You know, once you've got you can see from NEI here, you can have a lot of items. Of course, I won't store all of these necessarily, but I mean, yes, they'll go into my storage system, but most likely into overflow chests, which I may or may not set up a computer to extract from. You know, the overflow probably will be stuff that I've put in by accident, near enough. I'll most likely have this set up for my main ores, stone, gravel, etc., and then set up actual physical chests that I visit to put in my Red Power 2 items, my IC2 batteries, wrenches, those sorts of things. So I believe that is everything. That's the system. You can extract, you can add an entirely new item to the database, you can update the database with more items that you've previously had. Now, just to note, these chests you cannot interact with because of the item above it. It's not a transparent block, but as you can see, the system works perfectly fine anyway. So, thank you for watching. Leave a comment if you're interested in these videos. I'll try and make more. And yeah, thank you. Good night.